you think and what is are two different things. People distract themselves all the time. They buy things, they go places, they think that they will somehow avoid knowing what is. And to live, to actually acknowledge what is very painful. Not many people can do it. And once you sit with yourself and you acknowledge what goes on without you being present, you can live your truth. It is a shame to be awoke when other people are not. There is a tremendous pushback. And when you're beyond it, you refuse to engage. You know what you want, and you know what is right, and you know what is beautiful, and you are sober. You are so sober to know that the people who cannot accept what is happening, you know that they're wrong. And as you drop your ego, you know that you can't be mean to them and you shouldn't harm them. You don't want to harm them. And that is because you're not operating with the ego anymore. You're operating with something that's bigger than you. You care about people who are your enemy. You don't even want enemies. You care about them, and you can't hate because it doesn't make sense. So as I sit here in the beautiful woods, going through all the things that I go through all the time, and just mostly filtering out all of the crap that I don't need, I sit here and realize that I am just a speck, a smidgen, a scattering of dust in the full bloom of life. And it doesn't matter what anybody says, because I am my truth. And look at this. Just look. I just hope you can realize before it's too